Hello, my name's Stephen Edwards and I work for Kenwood as Technical Support Manager for the UK and Ireland. And in this short video, I'd like to explain some of the features and functions of this small little radio, the TK-3601D, which is a PMR446 radio which works on the dPMR standard, which all our 446 radios do. Now, compared with a normal 446 radio, the 3601 is much smaller. But if you notice here, you will see that the antennas are actually the same size. So what you've got with this radio is a very small and light radio, which has got the same range as the larger ones. And because 446 denotes the frequency and power, then this particular radio has the same power as the larger ones and has battery life of up to 19 hours, which is more than long enough. But specifically today, what we want to talk about is the waterproof capabilities of the radio. Now, the radio, as you can see, is very small and light. There is a removable battery compartment on the rear, and on the top we have an accessory connector. So if you are going to be connecting this with a headset, handset, remote microphone, then the small rubber cover here is removed there, and you then connect your accessories, which is one here. When you insert the plug, you will see that it screws up very tightly in here, and once it's tightly screwed, it is then waterproof. And when we say waterproof, that is water jets from IP55 and 54 and immersion on IP67. So you can drop it in a bucket of water and it will survive. And more to the point, when you've got the connector plugged in, it doesn't undo because it's screwed. Now, if we undo this connector and have a little look at how that works, you can see that it's a small gold-plated connector, and there are 4 contacts on it and a small neoprene ring, which is what connects directly into the radio socket here and gives you a waterproof seal. The rear of the radio does have a detachable battery, and again there is a seal here, so as it's quite happy. The only thing that you do need to be careful with when using this radio is if you're in a rainstorm, then you should not remove and replace the connector, because once it's open, then water can ingress. But if it's closed here or the connector is on, then it is waterproof to IP67. For more information, please visit the Kenwood website.
Kenwood.